I'm Jason Mader, Institute Communications. We're here at Zoo Atlanta. This is Mark Weisberg. He's a professor in the School of Biology. Your expertise is biologically inspired design. What is that?
Yeah, so we study the way that animals work, and then we use the principles that we've learned from how animals do things in order to solve problems in human technology and process.
For instance, we're standing in front of the lions.
In 1920s, Percy Shaw realized that we needed something on the highways to prevent the cars from crashing. And so he used animals like cats, which have these reflective surfaces in the back of their eyes, to create the first cat's eye reflectors that guided us along the roadway. So that's an example of how animals are used to solve problems that are difficult for us to solve.
And I see these very brightly colored birds. They have something to do with wearable computing.
Right, so when you're walking around the zoo, you see lots of really excellent examples of these blue and red colors in birds. These aren't created by pigments, but they're created by internal reflections. And so people have used that particular principle in the new generation of wearable cell phones and computers and things like that to get brighter, more efficient screens.
Mark has created, along with researchers at Georgia Tech Research Institute, an app called ZooScape. When you come to the zoo and you have the app, which you can download in the iStore, you walk around the park and GPS will ping you to say this is an exhibit with an animal that's contributed a biologically inspired design. Why did you do that?
Yeah, because we want to tell people all the really amazing things that we learn from animals. We hope that when we do that, they'll think about animals differently and care about them in a little bit different way.
All right, thanks, Mark. He is also the co-director for Georgia Tech's Center for Biologically Inspired Design. You can find out all about this story in our News Center on the Georgia Tech page at news.godtech.edu. I'm Jason Mader. We'll see you next time for more videos.